Today we're just taking it easy, seeing that we just came yesterday. We didn't want to overdo it, and I'm just driving them around in and around Montego Bay. So right now we're driving up by ATL there, and I'll take them by the Tryall Water Wheel and maybe the beach, Orchard Beach with the boiler ship, and then we'll come back and we'll go into town and that kind of thing. Alright, so you guys, so far so good, guys?
Yes,
Okay.
enjoying it.
Excellent. Alright, so we're driving into Hopewell, the first little village after Montego Bay. We're going through the kind of zigzag. The road get bad here, buddy. It wasn't so rough a few years ago. So, you know, I had to bring them to Tryall on the golf course to see the water wheel. So we're walking in now to check it out. So you see the water that's come on that thing? And it's on the wheel. For some reason it didn't take it today.
I didn't find out that I stumbled over and
A few years since I've been here, I forgot just how fantastic it is and scenic. It looked like they're doing some cleaning on the wheel, that's why it's not turning. Because usually you see moss all on the ground for beer. Check that one. Check Teffy. You in the right spot there? Careful there.
yeah.
They say break down the people and them little arch. All this was part of the estate, you know, of course they have the chimney in the back there. Where is it? It's behind the tree, but it was a whole processing area for sugar. Check them taking out the pity in the back. Real tourist vibes. So they're feeling like tourists?
Yes.
So you come down, you can see the chimney there, and right behind the chimney, you're seeing the boiler tank. Still there, history. Tryall Water Wheel. You guys like it?
Love it.
Nice, eh?
Yes.
So picturesque and a lot of history too.
A little history I never know about.
Yeah, so we stopped in Orchard Beach, and as you know, it has the famous ship derelict with the boiler. So we're just checking it out. Alright, so we're driving back into Mobay. We went and we stopped in Orchard Beach. Tiffany get choking she foot with something, and we continue in the tour in Montego Bay. So I'll take them down in the back by Secrets Hotel and whatnot, in the back there by the Yacht Club. So I'll drive them through Fairview on the way to the Yacht Club, down on that side. So they're getting the first look at, well, not Teffy, Teffy's our old pro. They're getting the first look at Fairview. Like the houseboat restaurant. In the back by Secrets, well, not by Secrets, we were at what used to be Sunset Hotel, still doing some renovation. They're showing them around the place by the Yacht Club and whatnot. Driving through Bottom Road, look, old hospital in the back there. See how nice that water looking? So this is park up. That kind of little area there, that busy, but we want to get the Montego Bay sign. Tiffany want to get she picture by the I heart Montego Bay sign here. Seen it? So yeah. I love Montego Bay. Like real tourists. There's real tourists, so now check them out. Here we are by the Montego Bay sign here. And Tiffany insists she stop and get the pictures here too. Why not, right? So since yesterday when we were driving home and they saw the pork pit, which is this, they wanted to come and try it. So we're here, we're gonna have lunch, although it's 3 o'clock. We're gonna get some jerk pork, but Tiffany don't like pork, so she'll get some jerk chicken. But this is good stuff here, we're gonna get it. I'm excited because I'm pretty hungry. So we hear the pork pit, see them cooking right there. Coals steaming down in the galvanized. Smelling so good. Alright, So we're here in Pulpit eating. What do you guys think so far?
Good.
Good joke, right?
Yeah.
Excellent.
First time I tasted red stripe.
First time she tasting red stripe.
I can't get that time to other certain for Heineken.
You can actually try a red stripe. I have to say, I am very happy with that. The jerk chicken is one of the best jerk chicken I ate in a long time. The pork was really good. Their sides, everything was pretty good. I'm very happy. So I'm glad that the experience my family got with jerk for the first time was an excellent one. So yeah, Pork Pit is popular for a reason. It's pretty good. Sunset Beach close to that end there. Look how pretty. Alright, this will be the first beach dip for the guys. Well, not Tiffany, she's been here a few times, but for Ricky and my sister, heading into the water.
When I'm home,
Yeah,
there's a lot of water up to my neck because I'm afraid.
yeah, but you can see here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see, Jamaica clear water. And this is outside our road beach, eh? Just came from the beach. Does it look like we changed our clothes from bathing in salt water? So we're here in Harbour City and we're going to go to the supermarket, a fresh ground. Tell me if this makes sense, right? We're in Jamaica, right next to Red Stripe, and they're picking up carib. Look right here, look, look the Jamaican thing here. And they're picking up there.
The price of the carib actually cheaper than the
Carib cheaper than the red stripe.
Yeah, but more expensive in Trinidad.
And the carib more expensive in Trinidad apparently. So it's the next day of the TRINIS in Jamaica. That is the name of these videos apparently. Anyway, we go and carry them to Dr. Cave. They go and do these Tush Beach vibes. Sit down and relax, drink Starbucks and eat. And bathe in nice clear water. I'm passing them through I don't know what happened to my English. I'm passing them through town, through Barnett Street, because I don't want to pass by Megamart and all that chaos. Well, what was Megamart? So yeah, they're going to see some real heartland Jamaican vibes here in Barnett Street. But so all the thing, Barnett Street not bad, right? It's like a little shallow street in town.
Yeah.
Hip strip going, and we nearly reached Doctor's Cave. So I know a lot of people say Doctor's Cove, I say it and all, but apparently back in the day it used to have a little cave, but with hurricanes and things it cave mash up. Drop them off on the beach here in Doctor's Cave. Look at this thing. Is there a better beach in Jamaica? Look at this thing. Look at our water. So they're going to stay here for the rest of the day. I'm going to go home and get some work done. But look at that. Sun is shining. Nice turquoise blue, clear water. Restaurant on the beach, Starbucks on the beach. They can't go wrong. Alright, so we're at an old hospital now. Check it out. Water still looks nice. It's so calm. Just walking on the beach. Climb to the edge of the wall. Yeah. See? The big other one over there. It's a long time since I come here. It's so clear. We're actually looking in from above and we're able to see schools of fish. We even saw like a small lionfish, other little fish swimming in between the rocks. It's really nice. Imagine if you snorkel and go, what you'll see. Alright, so we're in Old Hospital Park. I think officially it's closed, but as you can tell, people still come and use it. A nice place to come and get on top of the rock so you could see the view a little better. Here at the edge Check it out, look how clear that water is. I used to come here with my son regular. He used to like to come and swim right here. And I used to just sit on the rock and wait for him. Going to Cafe Blue in Fontana. Get some nice Jamaican coffee. In Cafe Blue, they're having stush breakfast something. Very good, right?
Enjoyed it. Very
Yes.
tasty.
And plus we have
Cheesecake and a carrot cake. But the
a cheesecake.
coffee really strong.
Right,
Not
right,
a sugar to put together.
I buy the cold milk. I put two packets of sugar in my coffee.
Stephanie looking real happy doing she bad. Have a rule apparently. If Ricky see a breadfruit tree with breadfruit in it, it equals oil down. So looking in the back there, we're gonna attempt to pick one. This state, eh?
Yeah, no.
That'll be good.
Yeah, one will be good. There's only 4 breadfruit, but I like to fry up the breadfruit. As I learned from Andy, Andy said you have to fry up the breadfruit very properly.
It's smelling so good. So Ricky, you can say make oil dog in Trinidad and Jamaica, man. This is a unique experience here. The tourists rarely go on this kind of thing. This is the toll road bridge. Check it out. This is the longest bridge in Owen, in Jamaica. It'll be part of the bypass, the Montego Bay bypass or perimeter road. And I came to get a drone shot. And we're seeing where people walking up on it. So we're going to do that too. You ever see tourists do this kind of thing? So this is a drain. It's built in like steps so the water doesn't come rushing down. The terraces down. We're using it as steps. I didn't start the day thinking I'll be on top of the longest bridge in Jamaica. But here we are. This is the perimeter road under construction. And this is Irwindale, the longest bridge in Jamaica. Let me take a little walk. So let's take a look. Over the edge. See how high that is? This bridge goes over the road in Irwindale, the Snorkeling Road, plus the Montego Bay River. So that is why it's so long. It crosses 2 things. So Tiff, what do you think of this tourist attraction? Alright, so we went on this perimeter road, longest bridge adventure, and we're walking back down now. Same way we came up through the drain. Alright, so look at the tourists there taking pictures by the Negril sign. Yes, we are in Negril. We're heading to Rick's Cafe. It's pretty late. It's exactly 6, but of course, I can't give up the opportunity to take our pictures. This is not Montego Bay as the video title says, but check how blue that water is. Now I didn't plan to swim, but seeing the people that are swimming, oh man, I should have walked with clothes. Oh, that water is always so good to go in. Alright guys, so we continue our little tour of Montego Bay. There the guys are, and we're in Harmony Beach Park. Chilling. So calmly walking. Harmony Park. The rain is actually falling a little bit. We bought some ice cream and cheesecake, and we're gonna walk along the path. You know, there's a kind of walking and track path here. So we started on it here. Alright, so we're on the outside here. By the side. So that is Harmony Park. Alright guys, so we're here at Sunset Beach, close to that end there. It's a very nice sunset, only not seeing the sun, the colors of the sky and the ocean. Check it out, look how pretty it is. So we're gonna wrap up there for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of roam around Montego Bay, although we get some Negril in it. Anyway guys, the guys are touring Jamaica still, so please look out for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to always like, subscribe. I'll see you guys.